everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Wasn't really planning on making a video today, but I just happened to be at the dollar store, and you know what? I actually figured out how to use the footage from my phone on my editing software, so I get to make videos a little bit more often. Probably I don't like the borders on the sides, but I mean, it is what it is. I was trying to figure out a new idea for a burrito video, but I'm not really sure what to do. Let's see. Vegetables. Could do something with those, maybe. I've thought about doing stackers before, or Pringles, but they don't hold the hot water very well, I don't think. I've thought about doing a dessert one with like little cookies and stuff and just grind them up. Thought about doing that before. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure. Pork rinds. I've tried doing those in a burrito before. It did not work out very well. Actually, I wonder if that would work. You probably wouldn't even have to buy multiples of chips or anything. That'd be a good idea, possibly. Now, we got a lot more snow. A lot of it's been cleared up. I mean, you can't really see it right now. This morning you could, but everything is still kind of icy and slushy and whatnot. I really can't wait for this to go away. I mean, I've got my vacation coming up, like I've said in a couple of my other videos. Actually, not this upcoming week, but the week after that. And I do not want this kind of weather. I mean, it's gonna be this kind of weather, but hopefully it's not snowing and maybe it warms up a little bit. We'll see. Anyways, like I said in one of my past vlogs, I think it was the last one actually, I'm gonna be getting a new vehicle here soon. As soon as it warms up a little bit, and every time I pass by this dealership, it's right by my place, I always look at what they have, and to be honest, I'm really not all that impressed with their inventory. Now I'm stopping at Quick Trip briefly because I won $3 on a scratch off. I think it's the first time that I've ever won on the 2 for the money one. Pretty sure. But I keep getting them every now and again. I don't know why, but I finally did win a little bit of something. $3. There actually used to be a little car dealership right there, and I think it was maybe, oh gosh, it had to be like 8 or 9 years ago, where I almost bought a few cars there. Actually, I'm gonna try to find a couple pictures of a car that I did. I think it was a Dodge or something like that I almost bought there. I'll throw that in right here. Yeah, guys, look at this. It's pretty much solid ice. Oh, somebody really needs to get out here and do some salting. Ooh. Anyways, I have to move my car. It's parked on the street right now, and I gotta park it in the parking lot. God, it's just pure ice out here. Jeez. Yeah, it's even worse towards the end here. Look at all that. Yikes. All right. You know what? I'm actually gonna show my daily driver in my video. I've never done that before, actually. Usually try to keep my car out of my videos, but it's a 98 Cavalier. I'm actually gonna be getting rid of it pretty soon. I actually really can't wait to get rid of this car. I've gotten a lot of good use out of it, but yeah, it's got some problems, and it's pretty old, and it's really not worth fixing them at this point. So now I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Sorry about the noise in the background. That's my dishwasher, but as I was getting out of my car, I remembered that I had my tackle box in the trunk, and I still have not put these new lures in here. I got these for Christmas. My wife got them for me. Get a shot of that one. Got a frog there, top water. Never used one of these before. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. That there. I actually have a couple more coming in the mail. I pretty much get all of my lures from Chinese sellers. I buy them directly from China. They take a little bit longer to get here, but whatever. I mean, yeah, they work fine for what I use them for, so yeah. Well, that's it for the vlog, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a second, like the video, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a good day.